Hello guys, welcome back to You Can Code. This is Sukesh. Now we are in You Can Code IoT section. Today we are going to see how to interact with ultrasonic sensor and servo with Arduino Uno. So first we start with ultrasonic sensor and next we see servo motor. Before we go into code, so this is the ultrasonic sensor. You can see the image here. This image is the ultrasonic sensor component kit. You can see you can have four ports here like ground, echo, trigger and VCC for power. The ground and VCC for plus and minus of the power, and trigger and echo we have to use some logic to calculate the echo distance using the trigger and echo pin. So you see like this only, from the sender the ultrasonic waves reflect from the object, and it will come back to the receiver end. Like this is the sender transmitter and this is the receiver. So the data sent from the sender and hit the object and return to the receiver. The distance will be calculated using the coding. Using the ultrasonic sensor we can calculate the distance. Using the distance we can perform any operations as we want to our project. So today we are going to calculate the distance only. We are going to calculate the distance in centimeter and inches using the ultrasonic sensor. And I will show the connections. You can see here. You see 4 ports, 5 volt. It's like VCC, ground, and a trigger and echo pin. So we are going to connect the trigger and echo to the Arduino 7 and 6, like a trigger for 7 and echo for 6. It's easy connection, and you need to connect the USB like I'll show the port. Yeah, like this you have to connect the Arduino to your laptop. That's it. Once you have connected that, I will explain the servo also, then we can see coding for both. For servo connections, same, we are going to connect a 5 volt for the servo. We are having 3 pins in the servo. It's like PMW PWM pulse, so that it's for third pin. And red and black is like a power, positive and negative, so we can use 5 volt and ground. It's like a simple connection for servo also. So first we will see ultrasonic sensor. Our connection is ready as the diagram. I have already connected the ultrasonic sensor, so I will explain the code. So leave about this servo related code. You can see like a pin we are assigning 7th pin and 6th pin. A 7th pin for trigger and 6th pin for echo. Then in setup, it's like a communication channel. It's 9600. We have many communication channel, 11200 something. So we are using a 9600 communication channel for Arduino Uno, and we don't need this. We will see on servo. Yeah, in loop you can see we are initializing some of the variables, centimeter, inches and duration. We need to find first duration, then we can convert the duration to centimeter and inches using normal mathematics code. So pin mode pingins like a trigger. I'm How can I say, it's like we are configuring the pin mode. The ping pin like a trigger pin is 7th pin. We are configuring the 7th pin of the Arduino Uno as output. As the same, you can see here we are configuring the 6th pin echo pin as the input, like a transmitter, receiver, sender or receiver, anything you can assume. So digital write ping in low. When the pin low, so it start transmitting the ultrasonic signal. Okay, when the pin is low, it start transmitting the ultrasonic signal. Once the pin, after 2 microseconds we are highing the pin, like we are off. So on, off after microseconds of 2. Okay, then after microseconds of 10 we are doing the same. It's like we are owning it. After this, we are configuring the pin mode of echo pin as input, and we are on the echo pin. So it's like pulse in, it's a default method, you can directly use pulse in, and we have to pass the echo pin, and how to on the echo pin. So it will give the duration. We can convert this duration into inches and centimeters, you can see. So to convert to inches, we have the duration. So duration by 74 by 72. To convert it into centimeter, duration by 29 by 2. So it is simple mathematical logic. So from that we will get inches and centimeter. After some delay, we are doing the same thing. Delay is to like to stop the process, because if you're using without delay, it would be continuously giving values. uh, I will show it in console, then you can understand what I'm saying. So simple code you can write. So I will connect the Arduino. You can see now. So port is COM5. Yeah. Now our code is ready. So I will upload the code. You can see I have selected board in boards manager as Arduino Uno, and you can see COM is port 5. So I will upload it. You can see it is start uploading. Yeah, done uploading. It's going. Yeah, it's completed now. So we can start the console. You can see data in the console now. Yeah, you can see. So you see when I'm blocking the ultrasonic sensor with my hand, it will show the output. It's like a distance from my hand to the ultrasonic sensor. From getting it too far away from the sensor, a distance start to increasing. So I will show it to you. You can see a distance for the camera and ultrasonic sensor. You can see that it's like 13 centimeter. You can see when we are getting large values, and also we will get some more large values when it is far away, or you can see when it is not receiving the signal correctly. So next we will see how to interact with the servo. I have changed the connection to the ultrasonic sensor connection to servo connections. Like these connections I removed, and I changed it to this. Okay, it's like third pin for PWM signal, and for 5 volt and ground. Okay, so we can remove the unnecessary code of ultrasonic sensor now, because it is very easy of the servo. When you have more code, you will get confusion. Yeah. First we have to import the servo library. When we have to give the pin configuration, we have to create object for the servo class. In setup, we don't need this serialization also. We just need to attach the servo pin to the servo class. After we have to write to 0. It's like so when it is in some unwanted positions, it's like it can be in any degree. 0 is like a 0 degree. It can be in any degree like 0, 10, or 90, or 180, or 360. So we are on setup, we are uh, making it to set to 0 degree. Like when it is a 90 degree, while we plug in on setup, it will be come back to 0 degree. So from 0 degree we can configure this. So I will remove all this code of the ultrasonic sensor. You don't need anything. We just need this servo write and delay only. So on set it will be on 0 degree. After that it will be, we can send it to 90 degree. Okay, after we can send it to 180 degree. After that we can send back it to 90 degree. So yeah, then we can send it to 0 degree. You can see 0, 90, 180, 90, then it back to 0. So it will be like a 0, 90, 180, Next 90 180, okay, or 0, okay, it's like a 0 90 180 90 0, so it will be on loop. So I will show the output. We can upload. Before upload, you can save and verify our project. You can see, yeah, our code is done compiling, no errors in our code. So I am uploading our code. Okay, our board is not connected, so I will connect our board first. So our code is done uploading, so it start rotating. So I will show it to the camera now. You can see it's like rotating. You can see it's like 0 180 90 again 180. So it's very easy to communicate with servo. Like this only the robot arms and legs, neck will be controlled using servos. It's like multiple of servos like a robot action. So with our Arduino. So it's very difficult for me to show to the camera because I don't know whether you are able to see it or not. Yeah, simple connections, just 3-wire connection, and you can see the output. Yeah, that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye, stay safe.